All right, we are back, and Melanie is going to do her best to show you how to, hold on real quick. We're going to show you this corner. I find the corner is difficult. Melanie finds the corner is difficult. Everybody finds the corner is difficult. So we're going to do our best to show you kind of how we do it. You probably just have to fiddle around, but we'll do our best to show you. If we mess it up, it's because we're on video. Okay, so she puts it on there for a few seconds. Scrapes it off. Okay, let me show real quick. So where she's at now, she's got this like corner right here. And this is the hard part. This is like, how do you get this out, you know? So
I'm gonna heat it up again.
She's gonna shoot some heat on it. She's got the tri-point scraper now. This is basically where it's like being a dentist and you're just scraping away.
A little bit more heat.
And that's the tri-point scraper she's using. So now you just kind of fiddle with it and hope to get, it's a little bit harder with this newer paint, but she's just gonna pull it off as best she can. Now if you have a tiny sliver of wood come out, it's not the end of the world, you can sand it. And then what we'll do is she's gonna come back and do this flat side, and that's where she'll be able to really get the corner out. And when she gets to that stage, we'll show you. All right, we'll be back. All right, we are back, and we're gonna finish off this corner. Melanie has scraped away here all the flats, and that was what she scraped a little while ago. And now we've got this final little corner to do. So she's gonna show us what she does as best as she can. She puts a little heat gun on it, the Cobra. About 3 seconds. I make sure to put my camera in the most inconvenient place possible. Basically, it's just about like putting the corner of that triangle in there and really just kind of pulling it out what you can. And she will keep doing that. Kind of getting the smaller and smaller pieces. All right, there we go. So you can see it's pretty clean. So sanding may take a little bit more, but that's about all you need to get, and it'll be looking really good. So, all right, we will be back when we show the sanding.